Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created a mulberry mauve gold halo eye look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. This is one of my top favorite eyeshadow palettes, and we're just going to jump right into the tutorial. Morphe JH32 and going with the shade Burnt Orange for my transition crease shade. I'm just going to blend that right into my crease. Oh my gosh, I just love ABH eyeshadows. They just blend out so amazing. This palette is so old and I just feel like the quality has never changed. The shades are just perfect. Perfect shades. Perfect blendability. I love everything about ABH palettes. Next, I'm gonna go in with Dirty Rose. It's that mauve pink shade. Dirty Rose and A20. And I'm gonna blend this into my crease as well, creating a nice purpley warm crease. And it's just blending out beautifully, looking so nice with burnt orange. Creating a really soft purple warm shade. And this one, try to keep it lower than burnt orange. You want it to like fade out into the warmer shade. I'm gonna take the shade Mulberry, which is that nice red maroon shade, and this is a Colourpop E19. I'm gonna blend that into my outer V. I just love these shades, they just blend out so nice. And I'm gonna blend that into my inner corner. Creating that halo. I am dragging it up into the crease just a tad. Very pointed brush. This is the Morphe 321 Cypress Umber. It's that dark brown shade. I'm just going to tap this in the outer V and inner corner. On a small detailer brush, I'm going to take the shade Glisten on the inner half here. I love this shimmer shade, it's so perfect. Take my finger and go with the shade Sultry, which is the purpley shimmer, and I'm going to tap that on the edges here. Just blending them in together. So it goes dark, darker shimmer, lighter shimmer, darker shimmer, dark. Just like that. My brush wet with some setting spray. And I'm gonna go in with Fairy. I'm gonna touch that right down the center. Just go back in with Cypress, dark brown, just blending out. Small highlighting brush, Colourpop E20. I'm gonna take Tempura, which is the nice matte shade. I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone a little bit. And highlight my inner corner. Take the Colourpop E19 and go with Mulberry. I'm going to do my bottom lash line. Inner and outer corners. Morphe M32 and Cypress Umber. And I'm gonna go in with Fairy. My brush is still a little wet, so it's gonna stick a little better. Urban Decay Perversion Black Eyeliner. And with some Essence Be My highlighter for my inner corner. Apply some Maybelline Sky High Mascara. And Ardel Demi Wispie Lashes. And that completes this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.